You can't know everything there is to know about buying a home, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. However, you can do a little research and put yourself in a position to succeed. The more you know, the better off you'll be. If you're just getting started, here are a few key tips to keep in mind before you dive in. Number 1. Contact at least 3 mortgage lenders to ensure that you're getting the lowest rate. Many first-time homebuyers make the mistake of going with the first lender they talk to, and they miss out on thousands of dollars of savings. Let us know if you'd like us to make some lender recommendations. Number 2. Learn about different types of home loans. While there are dozens of loan types, more than 90% of buyers will end up using one of 4 major loan programs: conventional, FHA, VA, and USDA. There are even options for low down payment, low credit score, self-employed, and large loan sizes, and more. Number 3, understand your price range and monthly payment. Calculate your mortgage payment, including principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Understand your mortgage rate as well as your budget. This will allow you to shop for a home and mortgage with confidence. If you keep these 3 things in mind, you can maximize your home buying budget and get the best mortgage deal for your new home.